They're loading smooth today.
Yeah.
Almost full.
Keep them moving slowly through the chute.
Clear on the left, everything is calm.
Easy now, keep moving straight ahead.
Right.
That's it, nice and easy.
Come on, boys, nice and slow.
Drink up, the water is fresh.
All right, easy now. Let's keep this line moving towards the washing department. Watch your spacing, gentlemen. We're clear on this side.
Easy now, plenty of water for everyone. Keep moving along to the right.
Easy now, big fella. Almost done with this hoof. Check the tail on that one, it still looks damp. Okay, increasing the flow now. Keep them steady, John.
Got it, doctor. Vitals are stable.
Good.
Good.
The ultrasound looks clear. Easy now, just keep moving forward.
Vitals are strong. The temperature is perfect.
Joint articulation is excellent, confirming healthy hooves.
Noted. Record updated. This one is in superb condition.
The journey from raw gray leather to luxury women's fashion officially begins.
Look at the grain on this panel.
It's flawless. The gray tone matches the specification.
This stitching looks perfect.
craftsmanship is exceptional.
Truly timeless elegance.
Confirming shipment 407, the complete gray collection. Pallet secured, Supervisor. Loading the next one now.
The texture on this jacket is absolutely exquisite.
It truly is. The craftsmanship is superb, very modern luxury.
As you can see, the stitching on this piece is entirely handcrafted, reflecting our commitment to premium quality.